Hey yo, what's the deal, everybody? It's your boy Train G's with G. What's up, YouTube? Welcome all the new subscribers that have been subscribing to my channel. I appreciate all the love. Real talk, real game. If I'm a return subscribers, welcome back. This video tonight is going to be on Barnes & Noble Education stock, ticker symbol BNED. If y'all been following my channel, if y'all been watching a lot of my shorts, I've mentioned Barnes & Noble. If you watched my old GameStop video where I had the GameStop logo from 1999, their old school logo from back in the day with the colorful rainbow look, I was talking about Barnes & Noble briefly because Barnes & Noble founded GameStop in 1999. GameStop was paired up with Babbage, which was another video gaming company they merged with at the time. And in '04, GameStop bought the shares of Barnes & Noble owned from them, and they became down an independent company. So for like the past 19, 20, 21 years, GameStop's been independent. So this video is going to be about the unexpected reverse split that's taking place tomorrow, June 12th. The time recording right now is June 11th. They're going to do a 1 to 100 stock split. And ever since June 5th, right here, or excuse me, the 6th, they released some good news for long-term shareholders in a way. So this was before the stock split was officially in this article. I looked at the one last week. It came out on the 6th. So pretty much Barnes & Noble, they received $95 million new equity capital through $50 million equity investment and $45 million fully backstop equity rights offering by Immersion Corporation. They also converted approximately $34 million of second lend debt to equity. They are really going through a lot right now. This company has been losing tons of money. So if you're a shareholder of Barnes & Noble, what this pretty much means, they offered their shareholders a discounted price to buy and add more shares to their position at 5 cents a share. At the time, Barnes & Noble around the 5th and the 6th was still around 30 cents, above 30, close to 40 cents, between 40 and 25 cents. So prior to that, it caught this spike May 22nd to around $1.30. Excuse these yellow lines. These are my strike prices. I have a lot of calls on each of these at 50 cents, $1, and 150. I'm gonna get into how to play the trade options for y'all that are doing that. But as I was saying, the shareholders obviously did not like this news that was coming. It was obviously private. The article's released on the 6th, and the stock has been tanking ever since. I've been buying the dip on calls. I've been getting wrecked. So whenever a company does this, they're trying to build back money that they've lost. Barnes & Noble is a desperate company. This is why the stock split is happening. Whenever a company is about to hit 0 cents, they're on the verge of filing for bankruptcy. They're rich, so most likely to do it on purpose and play the game. And what happens is they'll be delisted from the New York Stock Exchange if they don't do this reverse split, since the price has been tanking. Today, Barnes & Noble was being halted. Yes, just like GameStop, the trading was being halted this morning at around 9 a.m. Nobody was able to trade for about 20, 30 minutes, and they cut the trading back on. And they cut it off again several times throughout the morning. And if you look at the options right now, It's just totally screwed up. Now the implied volatility is at 0% for every single contract coming up. It's wild to me because a lot of people are really going long on this stock, like including myself. This week, I think the puts are barely even ahead. And look at this, June 21st. It's just funny how a lot of people are going for this date. We're waiting for Roaring K to do something with those GameStop shares. I'm gonna get into GameStop in another video with the news that happened today with that. And if you look at all these other open interest recalls, they're killing the puts. So, yes, the hedge funds are also shorting Barnes and Noble. And this is why they're halting the trading for it. So, I'm going to most likely get wrecked with my trade options. It's messed up because all these expire in January 2024. And tomorrow morning, on the 13th, or excuse me, Wednesday, June 12th, this 9 cent will be $9. So you could say I bought it at $18, I bought it at 21, I bought it at 27, and I bought up all the way at $72. It's possible that I could break these if there's a short squeeze going on, as we just experienced, because it's meme stock season. This happened last year with AMC. If you go back to the AMC video that I posted a few weeks ago, I explained how I got screwed in that reverse split. So the good thing is about these Barnes and Noble contracts, the most expensive one I purchased was like $40 per contract, and the cheapest ones I purchased was $10. So I could probably break even and still make profit somehow if there's a reversal. I'm looking for any type of dojis such as these crosses right here. Hopefully I'll see some type of inverted hammer or hammer, which are these over here. Hopefully I see a spinning top like this, because this is going to break out of this zone right here. And I was telling y'all in the video, like I told y'all, that this pattern was probably going to break out when it spiked a few weeks ago, 134. I was hoping it was going to hit over here, but nobody's perfect. None of my advice is guaranteed. I'm not a professional. I'm a chart reader. I just give y'all my honest opinion. I still think it could somehow turn around and break, but the way it's looking with this reverse stock split, this is probably going to keep tanking down, because this is a bullish flag, bullish wedge pattern. And usually when you see volume come down, it's due to come up. And I really think that these manipulators knew that this was going to turn around. You see all the open interest with the calls and the halting with Barnes and Noble this morning with the market. It's just crazy to me, man. Like, at this point, the shorts are more than screwed. So now they're picking on little Barnes and Noble. Like, it just went to $1.30. Y'all panicking. I haven't even seen AMC get halted yet. So we know the game. Us YouTubers really know what the game is, and that's why these billionaires are pissed off and sick. We outsmarting these bastards, and they can't handle it. So if you're a long-term shareholder, you're still gonna have the same market cap with Barnes and Noble. It's still gonna be worth the same amount of money. The only thing is you're gonna have less shares. So if you own 100 shares, you own 10 now. If you own 1,000, you own 100, and so on. So it's gonna make the stock look more attractive to investors who would rather buy a stock that looks legit at $10 rather than 9-10 cents. So their earnings allegedly come out June 25th, and I say that because these meme stocks are extremely risky. This is why I always tell y'all and give y'all a disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor. I don't want none of y'all to get wrecked. Do your own research. I do have to research for y'all, but like I said, I'm not a professional. This is the risk you take when you do call options, especially with meme stocks. So it's going to be a lot harder for me to break even. The good thing is I have 6 months. I'm down 830 on the year. I told y'all that in my last video. So I'm gonna go back and come up with a game plan to get that money back. I'm not a quitter. I was down 1100. No, excuse me, 1050. Broke it down to like 3 something, down 11 something, broke it down, broke even. And now I'm down like 830. So I don't give up. A lot of people quit at this trade option stuff. I don't. I'm relentless. It's all a journey. Eventually, I will master my game plan. Eventually, I will prevail. And these billionaires know it. That's why they're halting all the stuff I'm in right now, as well as all the other ones. So it's all good. Trade responsibly, invest carefully. Until next time, y'all, this is Train G's with G. I'm out.